online. UAV ready to deploy. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
Throwing flashes.
Online. Next hardpoint, stand by. UAV active. Secure the area. Swapping mags. Target area updated. UAV standing by.
Stop playing Warzone for free when you can get paid to play. Yes, you heard me right. I've been able to get any skin I want just by playing Warzone, and I didn't spend a penny doing so. I use Z-League, a skill-based tournament platform with cash prizes. It doesn't matter if your KD is a 0.3 or a 6.0, Z-League automatically sets you up to compete against others around your skill level, so you have a fair chance of winning the grand prize. After joining a tournament, play a few pub games, get some kills, maybe even a win, and climb to the top of the leaderboard. Signing up with my link in the bio gets you 500 credits that goes towards joining your first cash tournament. Join now, buy your items, and thank me later.
Your six.
Bro, there's this kid.
Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Hardpoint relocated. Hardpoint relocated. Secure the target area. UAV ready to deploy. Hardpoint compromised. Area. You're off. Got your mission complete. Stay sharp. UAV ready for task. Locating the next hard point. Get ready. Enemy
Just watch one of their kill cams when they kill you.
Yep, I got you. Yes, sir, Sergeant. Yep, got one outside. He's dead though.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nav, what else did you say besides to get the shit not to look like plastic? It was screen space reflection and what else?
Hardpoint. Stand by. Threats in the perimeter.
UAV ready for tasking.
Targets at the hardpoint. Capture the hardpoint. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Enemy targets at the hardpoint. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
UAV ready for tasking.
They're sniping.
Fast hands. Enemy personnel at the hard point. UAV ready to deploy.
What? He's camping in there?
Confirming next hard point. Stand by. Enemy UAV ready for tasking. UAV ready to deploy.
Bro, how did he?
Hardpoint relocated. Secure the target area.
This kid has blue dot. He's a cheater.
Enemy UAV active.
If you're blue dot, you're automatically a cheater.
I've got your back.
Bro.
Hardpoint relocating. Stand by. Enemies inside the perimeter. Target area updated. Move to the hardpoint. Secure the target area. Swapping mag. Friendly missile entry.
Yo, be honest. How old are you?
Deploy the